Hey Simply Bakers, welcome back. Today I'm sharing with you this delicious banana pudding. It is super duper easy, requires no baking, and I know I promised you caramel cake, but I will explain later if you wait till the end. Let's begin. In a large bowl, add 2 cups of cold milk, instant vanilla pudding, and you're going to mix this until it forms the pudding. Just like so. Now for the milk, you have to use real milk. Almond milk or any milk replacers will not work for this recipe. Next, you're going to add sweetened condensed milk. I added about 1/4 cup. Feel free to add up to 1/2 cup, but know that condensed milk is really sweet, and if you don't like things that are too sweet, then 1/4 cup should be perfect. Then you're just going to go ahead and mix it, and then you're going to add the vanilla extract, and you're going to continue mixing until it's well combined. So the last ingredient to add into this pudding mixture is the whipped topping. So I added 1 container of this and a 1/2 container. You're going to save the other 1/2 for later, and you're going to fold it in like so. You don't want to mix it, fold it in, because once you mix it, it takes away the air. With folding, it adds in more air. And once you're done folding in the whipped topping, it's going to look like this. And then you're going to set this bowl aside. And then you're going to grab a 9 by 13 inch pan, or you can use one of those truffle glass containers. And then you're going to add the wafer cookies and organize them like so. Set this aside, and you're going to cut your bananas. And look how fast I'm doing it. Just kidding. I just fast forwarded it. And before adding it to the cookies, I like to dip it in lemon juice so the bananas won't brown. And then there's no way of putting it on the cookies, just throw them in. And then next you're going to add the pudding mixture. I added just enough to cover everything. And then what you're going to do next is you're going to decorate the sides. So I just did an alternate of bananas and the wafers. But feel free to decorate it however you like. You can even add strawberries. I think that would be a great addition to the banana pudding. And then I just added a bit more of the pudding mixture just to cover the thin spots. And then I added more cookies. So I did one more layer of bananas, then I added the rest of the pudding mixture with the rest of the whipped topping that I had left over. So I know I told you guys that I would make the caramel cake. It actually won by a landslide. However, the recipe didn't turn out the way I wanted it. So I want to fix it before I share it with you guys. So it should be out next week. Anyway, back to the recipe. You can decorate how you want. I decided to do it this way, and then I changed my mind and I did it this way. So I decorated this way just for picture purposes because we eat with our eyes, but it was a delicious dessert. Very refreshing, great to eat during the summer because it's no bake and everybody will love it, I guarantee it. Thank you again so much for watching, guys. I will see you on my next upload. Bye!